Yeah.
Let's go to some stock picks. Devin, you're going with Invicta.
Yes, a small little industrial company in South Africa, specialized in consumables, auto, agri parts, capital equipment, that type of thing. They built up a really good portfolio of brands over the years, about 400 different brands there. What I like though is that they supply and service these industries, so they sell you the parts, they do the service and all of that. So that's very attractive. And they, as we've discussed before, they've been cleaning up the capital structure there, getting rid of the pref. So I think there could be a nice uplift in the near future there. And yeah, we think it's a well-run, solid little business.
Yeah, and that pref, I think we said it before, that sort of adds 70 million a year straight to their bottom line, which they don't have to pay an interest. That is meaningful. Cobus City Lodge Hotels.
Here I am in 2025 calling a COVID recovery stock, but frankly, that's still what City Lodge is. One of those businesses that suffered severely through COVID had to go through a recapitalization process. And frankly, given that they had deferred the refurbishments of their hotels for so long, they continue to be a significant performance overhang in the business. Simple underutilization of capacity. And you can imagine if there's a lot of construction going on inside of the hotel and you're a business traveler, that is not an attractive prospect. And even if you are willing to deal with it, you'll deal with it at a discount. So I called the stock precisely a year ago. Once you add back the dividend, you've basically been flat. So I was frankly early, but I think given that the thesis has continued to play out, it is well managed, and given that the assets are now spanking brand new, and we expect that business travel growth to continue to tick up in South Africa, they are very directly exposed to that. Given the undemanding valuation, again, there is very, very easy upside from the current level.
Yeah, and the food and beverage is doing good, but I had a friend who stayed at a City Lodge and whilst there was construction, and he hated it, but they gave him a free night the next time he returns, and then it was spanking new. That's all for Stockwatch today. Thanks to our guests, Cobus Potgieter, Southern Cross Capital, going with City Lodge Hotels. Devin Shutte from the Robert Group, going with Invicta. Up next, The Close. Stay watching.